Hello and welcome to day 48 of Bedtime Welsh. And now we're going to start putting a few of the things you've done in the last couple of sessions together in some slightly different ways. So to begin with, nice and simple, how about I'm feeling happy? Can you remember that? I'm feeling happy.
Dwi'n teimlo'n hapus.
Dwi'n teimlo'n hapus. Okay, now how about I'm feeling happy because.
Dwi'n teimlo'n hapus achos.
Dwi'n teimlo'n hapus achos. Now, how about we change that a little bit? Here's a new one for you. Can you do just I'm happy because?
Dwi'n hapus achos.
Dwi'n hapus achos. If you got that right without ever having heard it before, then you're doing fantastically. Okay, how about I'm happy because I like?
Dwi'n hapus achos dwi'n licio.
Dwi'n hapus achos dwi'n licio. Okay, let's have a big one to finish it off for today. I'm feeling happy because I like speaking Welsh.
Dwi'n teimlo'n hapus achos dwi'n licio siarad Cymraeg.
Dwi'n teimlo'n hapus achos dwi'n licio siarad Cymraeg. And if you got any of that right, you're doing superbly. And you can also keep on trying to build it up until you feel you can say that on your own whenever you want to, because it's always a useful thing to be able to say. Dwi'n teimlo'n hapus achos dwi'n licio siarad Cymraeg. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow with a few more ones. From now, hwyl am y tro.